Hello and welcome to StageSwift. StageSwift enables you to get the right people to the right place at the right time. And in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how calendars work. So let's go along here and go down to the bottom of the dashboard and click on calendars. In this installation, I have got 4 different calendars. So what is a calendar? A calendar is a collection of events. It might be, for example, in this one, it's Much Ado, so it's a collection of plays called Much Ado About Nothing during the year 2025. It could also be just a collection of events in a given season. And you can see there are 4 different calendars that I could have chosen from. So let's have a look at this first one. This calendar's got 24 events already allocated to it. It's got a name, you can put some notes in there. It's visible on the road, you can see that here. And that's when you might have seen from a previous video, is when you can see it on your mobile phone. So you can switch the whole calendar on and off just here. And then you've got some visibility of whether people can see complimentary tickets, merchandise, and booking visibility. And you've got 3 different choices here for each one. Then if I scroll down here and look at show on website, that's if you've got the API enabled, which means that you can sync up what you put here to appear on your own website as well, saving you some time. This tick box here to move it to the archive is so that you don't have to see a huge long list down here. It just makes it a lot easier for you to manage. Next up is the project. So we've already said that we can have a number of calendars, but you might have a project that spans a number of calendars. So in this case, we've got a project called Much Ado About Nothing. Now imagine if we were running this for 10 years and during that 10 years, we had a calendar for each season or for each year, and you would collect them all together there. You don't have to do this, it's just an optional thing if you want to. Similarly, you can add a default product. That's optional as well. And if you add a default product, you can add constraints to it, such as the assets that you need to take, so equipment, that kind of thing, and the people who are involved. Now, talking about people, let's click on the link here, up here to people. So it's just going to fetch the people for this event. Now you can see it's already got some people who are associated with the calendar. Now the reason for associating people with the calendar is it means that every time you add an event to that calendar after you've created the calendar, all of those people here will be added to the event. That saves you time, so you can just take people off or add additional people on as need be. And in this case here, you can see it's got a rather prominent red box saying that the product that we've assigned to this calendar requires 4 actors, and we've only got 3. So we need to add another one. So I'm just going to add another person here, and I'm going to say, right, I'm going to look in the actors category, so I'm going to pick actors, and then I'm going to look for Scott, not Scoot, and I'm going to add Scott Priestley, confirm the selection, and that's going to update. And now you see it's quite happy. It's got 4 actors, so it sees that you've done what you needed to do, and now we're going to be all happy on the calendar. So that's it when it comes to calendars.